Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're into software development, you know that getting code from an idea to a live product is a journey. And a critical part of that journey, automated testing. But where exactly do these tests run? And on which branches? Today, we're breaking down how to integrate with different Git branches to ensure top-notch code quality. Let's dive in. First up, we have our feature branches, your personal workspace for building new functionality. When you push code here, the automated pipeline focuses on fast feedback and maintaining code quality. Here's what typically runs. Tests to verify individual components or functions. Linting and style checks to keep the codebase clean and consistent. Basic integration tests to ensure related parts work together. And build checks to confirm everything compiles as expected. The goal? Catch bugs early while they're still cheap and easy to fix, long before your code is ready to join the rest of the team. Once your feature is ready, it gets merged into the branch, our main integration point. This is where things start to scale. The develop pipeline focuses on team integration and stability, making sure that everyone's code plays nicely together. You'll typically run comprehensive integration tests to verify how features interact. System tests to ensure the entire application works end-to-end. Regression tests to catch anything new that might break existing functionality. Code coverage checks to measure how much of the code is actually tested. Basic performance tests to watch for early signs of performance issues. Think of as your shared playground, where all code needs to work together in harmony. Once things look solid and develop, we cut a release branch, like release/v2, 0.0. This is your release candidate, and the focus here is on validation and stability. The pipeline runs in a staging or pre-production environment, which mimics your production system as closely as possible. On top of everything from develop, you'll often see comprehensive performance and load tests. Automated security scans. Smoke tests, quick checks for critical paths. And user acceptance testing or UAT triggers or preparation. This is your final gate before production. It's your last chance to catch edge cases and confirm everything is truly ready for prime time. Now it's time to launch. The main branch holds code that's been tested, reviewed, and approved. It's what we consider ready for production. Once we deploy from main, that code goes live in the production environment, where real users interact with it. Here's the key. We don't run heavy automated functional tests in production. Those tests happen earlier, before the code even reaches main. So what happens after deployment? We run post-deployment smoke tests to quickly and non-intrusively validate that things are working. We perform live health checks to make sure all essential services are up and running. We enable monitoring and alerting to watch system metrics like error rates and uptime. And we use synthetic monitoring to simulate basic user journeys from external tools. The goal? To make sure the system is healthy and stable, without disrupting users. But what if something breaks in production? Enter the hotfix branch. Hotfix pipelines are streamlined but critical. They usually run targeted unit and integration tests, specific to the area being fixed. Relevant regression tests, to ensure the fix doesn't introduce new issues. Smoke tests, to validate the urgent fix before deployment. The goal here? Deploy fast but safely. So there you have it. From a developer's local machine to the live production environment, automated tests are constantly working behind the scenes, on every relevant Git branch. Each branch plays a distinct role in maintaining code quality. The feature branch ensures new code is correct and isolated. The develop branch integrates team contributions safely. The release branch prepares stable code for production. The main branch holds the code that's ready to deploy. And the hotfix branch delivers urgent, reliable fixes directly to production. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more dev-focused content, and drop a comment. What's your favorite type of automated test, and why? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.